everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel ADG Insights. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the young giants of a society, or the tiny intellectuals, that is the students. They are the youngest minds who can really be considered as the most valuable as well as precious ornaments that a society can ever think of, as at the end it will be the students who will have to be the ones entrusted to carry forward the legacies of one generation to the next. So student actually bears a huge responsibility on their shoulders, and it is therefore really very important for them to shape up their innocent minds to a definite direction that possesses the potential to serve the whole of humanity. So in this video I'm going to show you the 5 most essential qualities that a student must have to become a respected as well as an admired human being in all respects. Firstly, the most important quality that a student should possess in order to become successful is having a definite aim in their life. This is really very important, as visualizing a definite aim always will keep them determined to move forward and will stop them from stopping. The student will feel a strong urge to have their dream at any cost, which in the process will push them further in their paths to success. So if you are planning to become big, make sure that you have a beautiful dream ahead and start working on that dream today itself. Secondly, self-motivation is another important quality that a student should possess. Going after a dream is never an easy task, and there will be numerous times when a student might miss the mark. That's when self-motivation comes into act, as it will help the students to always remain motivated towards their dream and in turn provide the strength to sustain through it. A demotivated soul always lacks the enthusiasm to endure the hardships in life, but a motivated person always remains ready and fully active to face any challenges that life throws at them, and will always remain strong until they make their dreams a reality. Thirdly, self-analysis. Life is full of unexpected events, and while going through those, we remain totally unaware of their outcomes. So it is very important to always keep a track of our actions, that is, self-analyzing. If a student is not getting a desired outcome, he or she should always check what went wrong and try to correct their actions eventually. This will help them to redefine themselves at each and every stage of their life, giving rise to a newer and a better version of themselves at each step. Fourthly, self-belief and self-confidence. Students should always remain confident in their life. They should always believe their abilities and realize that any task is doable and any position is always gettable in life. It's a fact that most of the successful personalities whom we can name today and is now quite popular were once an unknown student who worked really hard from the scratch to be in the position they are in today. So never be afraid of dreaming high and keep your confidence, as you must realize that a person without a dream has the least chance to achieve success. Finally, an inquiring mind. A student should always remain curious enough to keep asking questions for solutions to their problems. A student can come up with any questions when they are gaining knowledge regarding any particular topic, but it becomes an important duty of the student to find proper solutions or answers to those questions. They should never believe anything without knowing the exact reasons for their happening, and try to learn everything with proper details. A student should always carry a curious mind, as curiosity can be considered as the best tool towards the goal to finding solutions. So these are the 5 most important things a student should follow. Hope you like the content. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my channel, as you might not want to miss my upcoming videos. Thank you.